Okay, for the progress I've done on the senior project spell phase, I can come over into any type of particle effects, and we'll go here for example. We could have prefabs of any spell we have set up, any animation, and then I made a custom editor, so you can come into Spell Maker, like Spell Wizard. It creates a separate window, create spell, and then you drag whatever spell prefab into here, and you can name it anything you want, and it'll save that. So for example, we'll go with aura. Let's do heal one shot. Let's do that. And we could just name this heal spell here. We can set mana cost if we deal with that. I probably won't. We could set a minimum and maximum damage, but right now we'll just do projectile speed. We'll create a scriptable object. Now I get this error here. I haven't quite figured it out, but if I go to resources spells, it's you can see here it's created the prefab and everything. So I have to fool with that to see where I cannot get that error. And so we go back to our character who has the spell script or our spell manager. We can add it to the list. So take heal, add it to the list here. And then we move, you can shoot. Now I haven't edited the camera, so I have to go all the way to the edge over here. And we have the spell set up to destroy over 2 seconds, so it's going to go out at about the speed of 80 and then destroy itself over 2 seconds. Obviously for a heal spell, I'll probably slow that down because the last animation is the cooler part, I guess you would say. So if I click, you can see that, and then that little burst it does at the end there. And we could do that for any spell, and then eventually add in what those spells will do inside the custom editor. So like, or on the spell itself. So we create that scriptable object, and I can script the heal spell to heal or a fireball to do damage, and I can kind of change that damage's minimum and maximum based on distance if I decide to do that as well. But we can just create a bunch of scriptable objects that the spell manager just kind of manages, and then you shoot it, and then the spell manager will use it and then get rid of it. And eventually we'll transfer this into like an inventory system with the spell books, and then when you pick up a spell book that has this spell on it, then it's activated within your character.